Peace, family. What's going on out there? How everybody doing? May all be blessed. I'm back in with another one, another topic for y'all. Before we hop into it, let's give a shout out to the ancestors. And also don't forget to like, subscribe, to share for awareness. Appreciate it. So let's hop into it and raise this energy for the ancestors before we hop into the subject. I shout out my ancestors. Y'all shout out y'all's. You know the routine. And we can raise this energy in the room before we get started. I'd like to give a shout out to my ancestors, the Hatches, the Winstons, the Followers, Ashe, the Great Mother, Ashe, the Divine, Ashe, Obi, my higher self, Ashe, 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 Ashe. All deity guys, goddesses, known and unknown, Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. Let's hop into it, family. Hope everybody well again. I wanted to speak on the topic of law of attraction. And while, with the law of attraction, you seem to still get the same routines, the same people, the same places. And it seems like, you're not attracting things right when it comes to a law of attraction. So I wanted to give some insight on it about that. With the law of attraction, it's all about your thoughts and the way you perceive the outer world of your reality and why things seem like it's not attracting to you. The things that you already attract through your thoughts and the thoughts that you carry, that's the only thing you're going to attract in your reality. You know what I'm saying? So you have to pay attention to the places, the things, and the situations around you, and also the thoughts that you projecting out, because your thoughts carry vibrations. The way you view people, the way you view things, and the way you view, overall about life is why you have why you have these attractions around you. So don't get mad at situations. You just want to observe the situation around you and be aware of the situation. And use the situation as a tool to be able to know if your law of attraction working. So, if a friend pop up or a situation didn't go the way it's supposed to went, and you're trying to attract it, pay attention. Go in and think about why these things is not attracting to you, because it's obviously something blocking it, because it's either something in your thoughts. Well, it's nothing but your thoughts. You have to change your thoughts, be able to move things in forward, and you have to be encased in your thoughts. When you change your thoughts, you can't just say it for a couple of days. Say, hey, this is what I want. Woo, woo, woo. You have to be able to make your subconscious believe this is a new you. This is a new reality you want. This is a new core you want. A person that see nothing but good in life tracks nothing but good. He view life as nothing but good. A person that see nothing but evil in their life track nothing but evil, because he sees nothing but evil. You see, so that's the key of law of attraction. You want to be able to view life in the situations that you want to view it as, to be able to track these things and get this outcome in your reality. You want to be able to live it, feel it, and be a part of this new you, and that's the secrets of law of attraction. Your thoughts is everything. You can't sit here and say, this is what I want, and then have a whole negative thought behind it, and still thinking of old ways of thinking. And it don't work like that. You have to completely change and transform into something different to get that new life or that new core or that new home. You have to look at it different. You have to tell yourself you are worthy and believe it and start living it. You have to start, feeling it, knowing it's already there, visualizing it, breathing it, thinking about it all the time until it become your reality. And that's a key on law of attraction. You want to be able to be one with whatever you're trying to attract to you. And so the man that think po and always feel like he po, that's the reality that person's gonna get is po. Because he thinks like that all the time. He breathes it. He tracks the people, and when he attracts them po people, the people bring him down into po situations. So, you have to change your whole feel of thinking when it comes to law of attraction and what you get out of it, So I just wanted to touch back in with a law of attraction. Your situation have to become you. Whatever you're trying to attract in your situation have to become you. You have to feel it. You got to breathe it. You have to desire it. You have to picture it. You got to visualize it until you see it appear in your life. That's the hardest job of law of attraction. It's no cutoff. If you want this new lifestyle, you have to change the old lifestyle. So, peace and love, family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share again and comment. And I just wanted to tune in with that, and just think about that. Peace and love.